If you earn well and you don't have a Basisrente, you're leaving money on the table. Let's start with layer 1 of the German pension system. This is the basic layer. It includes the German statutory pension and the Basisrente, also called Rürup. The main idea is simple. Imagine you invest 10,000 euros into a Basisrente. If your marginal tax rate is around 42%, you could get roughly 4,200 euros back through your tax return. So gross, you invested 10,000. Net, it effectively cost you around 5,800 euros. Important, this money is not flexible. It stays locked because it's supposed to finance your retirement, not your holidays. And it is designed to provide you with a lifelong pension. And that matters because when you're old, you don't want to keep managing your investments and calculating how much you can spend without running out of money before you die. Plus, you can invest the 4,200 euros you saved in taxes. So you have the Basisrente growing in funds while your tax refund compounds separately. So if you earn well and you're still not using layer 1, why not?